Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brad, and you join me in my Mission Overland Summit trailer. In this video, I'm going to share a quick little heating tip or hack to make the heating work a little more efficiently in the trailer. While the heating does work perfectly fine and keeps the trailer nice and toasty in the 60s and 70s while it's in the teens and 20s outside, there's still a few things to make it a little more efficient and get the heat to spread around the trailer a little more evenly. Currently the heat comes out of 3 vents. You got one either side and one beneath the table, with the thermostat sensor being right here. Well, one of the main issues are with the heat coming out here, it hits against this wall and it doesn't really spread the heat around too much, and it bounces a lot of heat back onto the thermostat, which causes inaccuracies in the thermostat reading, as well as it doesn't heat the trailer very evenly. So I designed and 3D printed this adapter that simply plugs into the heating ports and allows you to direct the air where you want it. So instead of it pulling straight out against the wall, I can aim it up or I can aim it around a little bit. They're very easy to install and they work fantastic. With using these in the wintertime, I was able to keep the heat much more evenly spread throughout the trailer with much more accurate temperature readings on the thermostat. It also caused it not to have to crank the heat way up just to keep it comfortable inside the trailer. To install it, all you gotta do is simply put it right in there. It slips right in, and it still allows you to rotate it around so you can aim the heat where you want it. And with this, it aims it up versus just hitting the side of the wall. This is just my first attempt. I do have some other ones that are a little cleaner and fit a little bit smoother into the trailer. If you find this stuff interesting, please make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more little hacks and tricks with the trailer. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I'll be sure to answer all of them and talk to you guys again soon. Thank you for watching.